Hello everyone, welcome to What's Viral. Today we've got some really interesting clips, so make sure to keep watching till the end.
This week, we're in Lancashire, with a mum desperate to turn the tide in her family's current eating, shopping and spending habits. We are the Allison family!
This German pro surfer conquers a big wave that is about 35 feet tall at a coastal area in Portugal. This triple jet lighter looks like an actual lightsaber. Even though it is called a lighter, it can definitely act as a torch that you can easily carry in your pocket. Can you believe that this is flowing water? This is called laminar flow, and it occurs because the velocity and pressure at each point in the fluid don't change. Think of it as a deck of cards where the card at the top doesn't move, while all the bottom layers slide over each other. This dog suddenly got scared when he dropped his own food bowl. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video.